it's Kathy from Fantastic Hobbies. I am here today to do a little bit of a haul and to say hello again. I know it's been just a little while. I got busy with life and then we went on vacation. We're back now. I did run out to Michael's and Hobby Lobby today. I didn't buy an awful lot. The paper pads were on sale. I did have a $5 coupon, so I could have used that, but there was some other things I wanted. But I did find this 6x8 frame at Michael's on clearance for like $5. And the reason why I bought it in the first place was that I wanted to, my son just got back from Italy, like right before we went back out on vacation. He went back out on vacation with us. But I wanted to put that together for him to put in his kitchen. I thought he would get a kick out of that, and didn't really see 6x8 anywhere else. Haven't looked too hard for it though. So I'm gonna put that together for him. And then I found these were $1 at Michael's. I thought they were really cute, and who knows what I'll do with them. I don't know. I'll find a reason eventually to use them, but I thought those were really cute little albums. And then I had that $5 reward, so I used it on this set right here. Like to have maybe some backups, because I do lose my one lone tool. And then I ran to Hobby Lobby, and guys, I just didn't see a whole lot that I wanted. I'm trying to be a little bit more picky now, and I definitely don't need any more paper. And in fact, after I finish what's on my desk, I'm going to have to do like a massive cleanup in my room. It is horrible. It's gotten to where I can't even step places now. So anyway, I did find these 2 sticker sets here on clearance. This was the mushrooms. It was 87 cents. Sorry, I was putting my glasses on. Let me just see if I can get a little bit better light. I always struggle with my light here. Okay, that may be a little bit better. But anyway, they had these pirates, and we just got back from Disney. And we did the Beak in the Barrel. We did manage to get a reservation there. So if I journal about it, I just wanted some pirate stuff. And then the mushrooms, like I said. And then I picked up another storage case because I definitely need more of these. Now, before I left, I did work on a few things. Not much. But I finally got around to making a few recipe books or recipe albums, and I really enjoy doing this. If I find some more paper, which I have paper left over, I may try to make some more in the future, but I just really enjoyed doing this. They're just really so cute, and I'm not gonna flip through all of it, but I combined, this was from I think the Sprout and About paper pad that I got at Michael's, and I did use some of those the sticker pack that came out too. And then I had some stickers. I think my friend Molly gave me some food themed stickers. Otherwise I wouldn't have had any. And I really couldn't find any. But I think those were planner stickers. And then this was also from the Sprout and About. And I think the recipe cards, yeah, the recipe cards in this one I used were a little bit different. But same thing here. But I just really think that they turned out super duper cute. And then this was from the, what was this one called? Dulce Citrus pad from Michaels. And I used some trim there. And then I had brought in from Amazon some charms. And I thought that was really cute with it. And used the paper there. And I just thought it was really cute. And my husband keeps telling me, Kathy, you need to sell this stuff you're making. And eventually I will when I find the place. I'm not so sure. Oh my gosh, I missed something there. I'll have to be sure to go back and fill that in. I'm not sure where I want to sell this stuff at yet. I hear a lot of complaints about Etsy fees and shipping and whatnot. So I'm gonna have to find a place. I thought about trying to find some local craft shows. Surely we have some somewhere in our area. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that. And I have it here I had made this one when this paper pad came back out from Joann's. This was a summer paper pad. I made this one, and this is more of a cocktail, I would say, theme than anything else, because it's got all the little cocktails. I tried to make that one a cocktail theme. So I've got a few little recipe books now. And next, what's on my desk now is I've been making a few things with this 6x6 Mega Ghosts and Goblins pad from Echo Park. I have a few things on my desk that I have made, but I'm not quite finished with it, and I would rather than put it in here and it just be partially done, I'm gonna hold off and show you all that when I get finished, which I don't know, maybe a week or so. So that's it for right now, guys. I will try not to do such a long break next time. But thanks for everything. Thanks for holding on with me. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.